How to sign up in Zoomerang. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to sign up in Zoomerang. So it is Zoomerang. All you need to do to sign up is click on get started. After pressing on get started here, what brings you here to ask you a few stuff. For example, right here, just put in personal content and then recommended by a friend. Then put in what type of content are you interested in. Maybe colleague, maybe business. How about I say business? Right there. And personalizing experience. Once you've done that, this will pop up. There you go. So you just click on the X. After you X that, you'll be located right here. The Zoom. There you go. Now, just make a sign up right here. Click on profile. Then, after clicking on profile, you need to either use our phone or email. So, a quick tip for you guys: when you're gonna use your phone or email, right there you have to create your own password. So yeah, if you continue with Google, whatever your Google's password is, that will be your password. Now we're gonna continue Google, so click on Google right there. After pressing on right there, we just have to wait for a few seconds till pops up. So here, and once you're here, as you can see right now, it will make you choose a username. So here, you can now choose your username. So as you can see right now, we're just gonna skip on that right here. Then after doing that, we got just a birth date, so we're gonna put in Mari. Let's just say 30. Then to make it realistic, put in 2004. And next. And there you go guys. As you can see right now, we have now signed up here at our what do you call this? Zoomerang. So there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, type in the comment below guys. I'll put our as soon as possible here at How to Rock It. And thank you guys.